Deakonet New Air Source Solar Panel Inverter Heat Pump. Deakonet Solar Panel Inverter Heat Pump adapts enhanced energy gathering solar panels. It is used as a second evaporator, which can fully absorb and utilize low-grade energy, such as rainwater and sunshine in low-temperature environment. Deakonet Solar Panel Inverter Heat Pump has super heating performance. Even there's no sunlight in a low-temperature environment below 0 degrees Celsius, the heating capacity still can be increased by 30%. In sunlight, the heating capacity can be increased by 50%. The unit adapts innovative double evaporators design. In a humid and low-temperature environment, the outside air source heat exchanger will not be frosted. The heating capacity and performance are very stable. Deakonet Solar Panel Inverter Heat Pump has Wi-Fi or Internet with smartphone app control function. You can remote control and monitor the system easily. Deakonet, the preferred brand of heat pump for meeting house heating and hot water requirements.